All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Loom videos that are embedded on a web page so that you can view them offline and locally. Now, there's different ways that Loom delivers videos to your browser. And one of them is with an mp4. And an mp4 is a file type for a video. So if you right click on the page here and inspect, and you hover over the video like this, you can see something here, cdn.loom. That's Content Delivery Network.loom. And what that basically means is this is maybe the video file that we are looking to download. So if I press return and go through here and tab over, I can see, okay, if I go all the way through here, it ends in .mp4. So this is one of the easier types to download. So for these transcoded, these mp4 files, the steps are to simply open up the developer tools by right-clicking and doing inspect. Finding the element on the page, as you can see, this highlights different things. Clicking on it, and then getting to this URL here and finding the .mp4, and just copy that to your clipboard. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open your terminal program, or in my case, iterm, and you're going to type curl hyphen lowercase o, and then you can name the video whatever you want. If this has a name, let's call this name of the video.mp4, and then in quotes you're going to paste in that thing that was on your clipboard. Now if you press return, you're making a request directly to that resource to download it, and you can see here 12 megabytes. Now if I go over here on my desktop, and the reason it downloaded to my desktop was because that's where I am on my file system.
Hi there, hope everyone's having a great day.
And you can see
Wanted to briefly.
That is the way that you download a Loom video when it is delivered as a mp4. Now one thing to note is that if you don't want to deal with all this right clicking and looking at this code and then typing in this thing here and memorizing all of these commands, you can simply get the Loom Video Downloader extension that I made for this exact reason. And as you can see, it's as simple as clicking on it, and it even populates the title for you of the video. So I pull out some metadata about this video, the quality, the duration, etc. And when you click download, you'll see here that it's asking you where you want it to download. So maybe you want it to go somewhere else, and then you can save and download that. In this case, it's downloading as a .webm file, which is fine. It's another video file format for the web, and to play it, you can just literally drop it on your browser.
Hi there, hope.
You don't have to be online. You can be online, you can be offline, and it will work. Just think of your browser as a video player in that case. So to make it easier, I do have an extension that you can get if you don't want to deal with this coding stuff. And they aren't always like that. So in my other videos, I will show you how to download some of the other Loom file formats. Sometimes they come in as a stream, and we'll take a look at that one next.